Hi, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using it's a drop shape die cut to make tulips. Right now I'm just embossing my card panel using these butterflies, color book embossing, and at the end you don't see too much of the butterfly, but you see part of the paper that is embossed, and it looks good. I'm going right now to cut a jar with this die cut, and I'm going to cut it in light blue vellum, no sorry, acetate, and I'm going to cut it also in vellum. I'm going to pass the vellum through my sticker maker and glue it in the top of the blue acetate. I press it with my bone folder between the paper where the sticker maker was, because it's a very soft paper, and it's easy to do that way. And I still have some bubbles, but it doesn't matter because in the jar with water you see bubbles and you see parts that are lighter and darker. I'm cutting right now with my Exacto, a string of green paper. I like it very thin, but that's optional. You can make it thicker or whatever you like. I cut this in two different type of green. I think I got 9 or 8. I don't remember, but I think it was 9. As you see here, I already have several cuts. When I finish doing this, I'm going to start cutting my drop shape die cut in 4 different colors. I cut in red, orange, pink, yellow. Yeah, you will see here all the colors. I cut, let me see, I think 3 by tulip, but I made several tulips. I see I cut like 9 of each, and I'm going to darken sorry, I'm going to darken the borders using my distress inks in a color darker than the paper. I will show the difference how they look with the distress ink and without the distress ink. I also think when I saw the card finished, I was thinking that I should use more like pastel colors, because I don't see tulips are this dark. Well, I haven't seen tulips that are this dark, but it's a preference of colors. But I think it will look better with pastel colors. It's just me thinking. After I finish all the borders, I'm going to ensemble my tulips using 3 for each, and you can make them wider or how you say, skinnier, I don't know, depending on how you arrange the first 2 drops. Okay, now it's time to assemble the jar. I was gluing with the glossy accents these the strings of green paper, but in the while I was gluing, I was thinking, well, I have to glue the jar to my car panel, and I was saying, well, I need to pass this through my sticker machine. How am I going to do that with all the strings going out, because I want the strings to be loose? Well, I have to take off the pieces of green paper and pass it through my sticker maker, and you will see now I'm gluing the strings to the jar using the same glue that the sticker maker placed in the jar. I tried to glue them a little bit messier in the bottom, going crisscross, but I tried, but I didn't manage to do it. But it looked good, I think. I also going to add a bow in the top of the jar to define the jar a little bit more. I did it after I glued the jar to my car panel, but I suggested you do it before you glue your jar in the panel. I'm cutting a little bit of the strings, the branches of the tulips, or the stems, I think it's called. I really don't know, because they were too long. And right now I'm playing with the tulips to make the flower arrangement, because this is it's not right or wrong, or it's no way to do it. It's just sign of preference. You want to put them all down, or in the top, or like I did, I put some here and some there, and they are everywhere. But the important thing is that they have like a harmony. Yeah, that's the word, harmony, of to be a flower arrangement. After I finish gluing, I also glue some of the tulips with foam tape and some just flat. After I finish gluing the tulips, I'm going to add the message that is going to say it's going to say for you, and it's going to be stamped in brown. I didn't want to put black because black is too bold, and the card doesn't have anything black, and it's going to be like too much pow. Here you see me trying to add the string. I add 3 times plus the bow. Okay, I'm gluing the sentiment, and I also pass the sentiment through the sticker machine. I think I'm getting addicted to this because I like it that it's very easy. You just pass it through the machine, pling, 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 and you glue. No messy, no anything. I'm going to glue this card panel to a piece of cardstock in blue. It's like a periwinkle, I don't know, light blue. And after that, I'm going to glue everything to my card base. After I glue it to my card base, I'm going to add little jewels, like they are water drops in the top of the flowers, and I'm also going to add some in the sentiment and in the bottom of the card. I think I add some in the sentiment. I really don't remember. And after that, that will be it. My card will be finished. And I just have to say thank you for watching. I hope you like it, and until next card, goodbye.